So when we see transitional terms, right, these are transitional terms. For example, therefore, regardless, however, indeed, consequently, stuff like that, right? These look like simple grammar questions, but they're really not, right? These aren't grammar. These are technically all grammatically correct. We have a word and a comma, right? So there's nothing different about the grammar, like mechanics of grammar in this. So what we need to do is like read the sentence before, summarize it to ourselves, read this sentence, summarize it to ourselves, and figure out what we how we connect them. So we have research has demonstrated a correlation between exposure to a foreign language at an early age and bilingualism later in life, right? So summarize it to ourselves. Research has shown that if you're exposed to a foreign language, you'll be bilingual later in life, right? And then the next, this right here is, many parents place their children in language immersion programs at the age of 1 year. So basically what we have is like research has demonstrated this, right? And then many parents do this, right? So research has demonstrated this, many parents do this. So we'd want something like so many parents, like as a result, many parents do this, right? So it's not, for example, this isn't an example of how research has demonstrated a correlation, right? Therefore works really well. Therefore is the same thing as like so or consequently. So that works. Regardless and however actually kind of do the exact same thing. So we wouldn't say like regardless and however mean like the would suggest that whatever's happening in the sentence before is contradictory to what's happening in the next sentence. So we wouldn't say like because research has demonstrated this, like many parents place their children in foreign language immersion programs, right? So we wouldn't want to use C or D, and they're kind of synonyms, so we can cross them off, right? So we'd want something like answer choice B, like research has demonstrated this correlation, so many parents do this, right? So answer choice B.